Welcome everyone to all those who are going to construct a new house in 2025. Here are some amazing room or living room partition ideas that will give a modern look to your home. Each and every idea is super smart and it will give you a luxurious look to your home. So without a second thought, give a look to this video and use these amazing ideas for your construction of your house. These partitions are mostly made of woodwork or mirror work, and this will give a very stylish look to your home. So don't forget to give a chance to these ideas and share your reviews in the comment section.